Put the date first. Write CW. Give heading even and odd number. Give heading even and odd number. First write even number. Make a bullet. Achha, I'll make you understand, okay? And also I'll explain all the thing. Before that, at first write this. Basically, even numbers are there which can be arranged in pair of two. Okay, pair of two. Suppose some balls are there. Okay, if we can arrange in pair of two, look, here are two balls. Here also pair of two. Here also pair of two. Then we can say these are even number. Okay, suppose 6 balls are there. We can pair of two means we can take them together. Take two together. Okay, so write the definition first. Okay, don't worry, again I'll explain the number. Write it. The number which can be arranged which can be arranged in pair of two. In pairs of two. Okay. The number which can be arranged in pairs of two. Now, that means there is one more extra point. Give a star and write even number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay. Acha, write the example also. Eight, 14, or we can write 4, 14, 18, 26, 48, dot, dot, dot. Completed? Spondon, Atreyi, Zubair, write fast. You can raise your hand, those who have completed. Ritosri completed. Okay, good. They can raise their hand. Those who have completed, they can raise their hands. Now give heading odd numbers. Acha, basically even numbers means I told na, in a pair of two, suppose look, there are some flowers. One, no need to do this, huh? एक draw करने की जरूरत नहीं. Okay, don't draw this. Orindam, don't do this. I am explaining, just look at this, huh? Look, how many flowers are there? Count. Spandan, how many flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, not 5. 5 and this one 6, na? 6 flower to Spandan, count it. Yes, 6. Okay, so Zubair, look at this. So 6 is 6 flowers. So it is even or odd numbers we have to find out. Look, this one. If we can arrange them in pair of 2, that means take 2 together, huh? दोनों को एक साथ ले लो. Pairs of 2 means we have to take 2 together. Okay, पहले दोनों को look एक साथ ले लिया. फिर ये दोनों को एक साथ ले लो. Take these 2 together. फिर take these 2 together. Look, if we arrange 2 in a pair of 2, then anyone is left. या फिर कोई बचा हुआ है? कोई भी फ्लावर लेफ्ट है? Yes or no? No तो क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई फ्लावर लेफ्ट नहीं है, that means 6 is even number. Understood, Swachhatwa? Understood, as there is no flowers left. Suppose again I am drawing one more flowers. Look, this one is left single ना? अगर कोई single पड़ा हुआ है, अगर single यहाँ पे रह जाएगा, then odd. Otherwise even. Understood तो? Is it clear? Orindam, understood or not? Good. Shaugato? Shamriddha? Okay. Now write odd numbers. Give heading odd numbers. Make another bullet and give heading odd numbers. Write it. The number which can not be, okay, cannot be. Which cannot be arranged into pairs of two. Got it? Shaugato writing? Okay. Make a star and write this point also. Odd number odd numbers end with one, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay, and write the example also. Example, suppose I am taking 11, 19, 23, 35, 67 and dot dot dot. Complete this one. Alia, Almashuddin, write it fast. At first, write it first, then I will explain this one. Huh? I am waiting for 2 minutes. Within these 2 minutes, you have to complete your writing. The board. Suppose I am drawing, look, some balls are there. Huh? No need to draw. ये ड्रॉ करने की जरूरत नहीं, ओके? Just you have to count how many balls are there, okay? All of you start to count. Start to count. Done. How many, Zubair? How many balls are there? Otrin Akhtar is saying, how many? 13 or 15? 15. Otrin Akhtar, count it properly. Count. Yes. 15 na? Yes, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Total, how many balls are there? Now we have to check whether this one is even or odd number. By arranging, the way I am explaining, by arranging in pair of 2. Look, take 2 together. Huh? Arrange them in pairs of 2. Take these 2 together first. These 2 I have taken together, okay? Next, these के एक साथ ले लो, ठीक है? अच्छा, this two, look, this one single, a single बचा हुआ है ना? Yes or no? There is one ball which is single, yes or no? Ankush, Fatia, huh? As there is one single left, one single ball is there, it is left. That means it will be odd number, okay? Understood? It will be odd number because there is one left. We cannot make it in pair form, okay? It is single. That's why it is odd number. Understood, all of you? Yes or no? Zubair? Okay. Alia, Arahat, Shamriddo, tell me whether have you understood or not? Okay, good. Shwachatwa? Acha, suppose there is another process, one more process, that is how to check whether even or odd. Look at this. Without taking them into pair, okay? Suppose I am giving you one number, 27, 64. First, we have to check whether this one is even or odd, okay? How to check? Look at this. Here the last digit, it ends with 7. The last or ones place digit is what? 7. So that means 27. 27 ends with 7. Yes or no? Yes, Jennifer? With 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. In case of odd number, it ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, right? And as 27 ends with 7, so it is odd. But 64, look, ends with, even number ends with what? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Here it is 4, so ends with 4. 4 is in even, so 64 is also even. Understood too? Is it clear to all of you? Rabiul Almasuddin, just tell me yes or no. Shake your head. Okay. Now write the question. Write all the even numbers from 11 to 35. Acha, from 11, look at this. 11, first we are taking. It is odd or even? Which one? Here it is ending with the 1. Last digit 1 na? So it will be odd. So we are not counting this 11. So from 12 we have to start. Yes? Now one interesting thing is there. You can just give one place gap. One gap, then you will get the number. Suppose starting from 12 to, then 13 will not be there because it is 13 ends with 3. Okay, so it will not be even. So the next one, 14, it will be because it ends with 4, 2. Now 16, one place gap basically. Leave one place. Okay, 15 will not be there, 16. Then after 16, 17 we are not going to write. It will be 18. Understood? We are not going to write 17. It will be 18. Then after that, 20. One place gap, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, and 34. Look, 36 we are not going to take. Why? Because up to 35, Tom. So 36 is greater than 35. Yes, Tom. Dia, understood? Okay. And we are not also writing 35 because it ends with 5 and 5 is odd number. Na? We have to find all the even numbers. Complete this one. Now let me check all the copies. Okay, now up to this done to complete it first. I am waiting.